It always starts with a message. It might begin as flirtation or a friend request that seemed harmless. Then suddenly, you're being threatened. Someone claims they have your private photos or videos, and unless you do what they say, they'll share them with everyone you know. This isn't just a bad interaction, it's a calculated form of digital extortion. But here's what most victims don't realize. You're not stuck, you're not helpless, and with the right moves, you can shut it down before it spreads. Welcome to the Blackmail Helpline channel. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. We don't just talk about cybercrime, we stop it. What to do if someone is blackmailing you on Facebook? Step 1. Stay calm and do not react emotionally. When targeted by a blackmailer on Facebook, your first instinct might be to delete the messages or block them. Don't do it. That only makes it harder to trace and stop them. As cybersecurity professionals, we strongly advise: do not send money or additional content. Do not block the blackmailer. It cuts off your ability to track them and gather evidence. Do not delete the conversation, messages, or your Facebook account. Step 2. Collect and preserve evidence. Digital blackmail cases are won or lost based on how well the evidence is preserved. Here's how to do it the right way. Use Facebook's features to document the case. Visit the blackmailer's profile. Screenshot their profile name, photo, username, and link to the account. Open the conversation thread. Scroll through the entire message history. Capture screenshots of threats or demands, timestamps, any payment requests, Cash App, crypto, bank transfers. Save media or links they've sent. Check your timeline or posts for any public threats, comments, or tags, and screenshot those as well. If possible, use screen recording to preserve video messages or audio threats. Include your device's clock in at least one screenshot to anchor the evidence in time. Suggested file naming format. You can see an example on the screen. Step 3. Build a chronological communication timeline. We recommend creating a simple log of all interactions in a spreadsheet or notes app. Here's how. You can see an example on the screen. This timeline becomes a vital tool for law enforcement or our investigation team to assess urgency and response. Step 4. Report the account to Facebook. Facebook allows you to report abusive accounts and messages directly through the platform. How to report the profile. Go to the blackmailer's profile. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Find Support or Report Profile. Choose Harassment or Blackmail or Pretending to be someone. How to report the conversation. Open your Messenger conversation. Long press on the threatening message. Tap Report and choose the appropriate reason. Add a clear explanation like, "This user is threatening to release private content unless I send money." Facebook will not notify the blackmailer that you've reported them. What does the FBI and NCII recommend you do if someone is blackmailing you on Facebook? The FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, advises: do not comply with demands. Do preserve all evidence, screenshots, usernames, messages. Do report the crime as soon as possible. You can report here, www.ic3.gov. If you are under 18, report to CyberTip at www.report.cybertip.org. NCII recommendations. If the blackmailer threatens to leak intimate images, visit www.stopncii.org, a platform supported by Meta, Facebook, Instagram. What it does? Creates a digital fingerprint, hash of your image, not the image itself. Submits it securely to Meta platforms to prevent uploads of that image. Fast, anonymous, and trusted by major tech companies. This tool is one of the most effective safeguards against the online spread of private images. Step 5. Let Blackmail Helpline handle your case. If someone is blackmailing you on Facebook, reach out to us. The moment you involve professionals, everything changes. At Blackmail Helpline, we don't just offer advice, we take over. Our experts will step in, Manage your case from start to finish and work relentlessly to track down the blackmailer and bring them to justice. We use advanced digital forensics to uncover hidden identities, even if the blackmailer is using fake names, burner accounts, or anonymous platforms. We take down harmful content, from explicit images to damaging links, across websites, search engines, and social media platforms. We protect your privacy at every step. Your identity, your story, and your safety are guarded with strict confidentiality 24/7. Facebook blackmail is designed to scare you into silence, but you don't have to go through this alone. Our mission is simple: to stop the blackmailer, protect your future, and put you back in control of your life. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, check out this link, which you can click in the description below, and feel free to comment with your questions. Or call us directly at 888-634-1535. We are here to help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.